please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell, so every time we upload a new video, you get notified for brand new healthy recipes. All right, let's go over the ingredients that we're using for the salad. Here I have some soy sauce. It's organic. I have a half of a head of cabbage, 2 fresh jalapenos, toasted sesame oil, about 3 cups of broccoli flowerets, 1 big clove of garlic, and about a 1-inch piece of ginger. And I'm using organic miso soup for our dressing. And this is white miso. About 3 cups of diced tomatoes. 1 can of organic kidney beans, rinsed and drained. And about a half a cup of diced white onion. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to slice our cabbage. So basically we want to slice the cabbage really thin, like this. I actually forgot to hit the record button when I was cutting this. I wanted to show you guys, but pretty thin. You can see it's about a couple of millimeters per strand, and it's kind of like I want it to be noodle-like, so all of the dressing really gets into every little piece and edge of the cabbage. So that's why I cut it really, really thin. So now we're going to go ahead and start our dressing. All right, so for the dressing, we're going to start out with about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Remember, there has to be enough to cover the whole entire salad. I do about 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. I'm going to go ahead and take the ginger and we're going to grate it. Into the liquid mixture. Just like that. And then we're going to take the garlic and do the same thing. And this breaks down the flavor much better. Much smaller pieces. I'm going to get it more spread out. Alright, got all that in there. Now to this, I'm going to go ahead and add our miso paste. And I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of miso paste. Miso is really, really salty, as you guys probably already know. So it's got a lot of flavor. And we're going to add a little bit of water to kind of counteract all the saltiness that we got going on in here. Okay. I'm going to break it down. Mix it really nice, evenly. We add a little bit of water, dilute it down some. And this is going to be a really, really delicious dressing. Actually, I need to add the lime in. Let me go ahead and do that. Break it down some more. Smells so delicious. Sorry guys. If you can't find this organic miso soup or the toasted sesame oil, we are going to start stocking it in our online store at healthyrecipe.store, and many other ingredients that might be kind of hard to find, along with some appliances and knives and things like that. Want to make sure the miso breaks down good. And this right here is a flavor bomb. We're covering a lot of salad, so we want to make sure that we got plenty. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of water, just to dilute it a little bit so it's not so potent with all the sodium, so much salt. That right there is about where we want to be with it. Not super thick, but not super watery either. We want it to spread throughout the whole entire salad and coat it. And once we bring the cabbage in, we're going to make sure that it's all nice and broken down and thin. We don't have any big chunks in there. Everything looks good. Now we're going to drop in our tomatoes. The tomatoes are going to add a nice amount of juice to this, so it'll help to combine with your dressing. Now we're going to add our beans, broccoli, onions, and the jalapenos. Got 2 cut. Let me go ahead and cut those now and show you guys exactly how I do that. Alright, so with the jalapenos, we're just going to cut the end off of them and slice them in half. For this salad, me personally, I'm going to take out the seeds. This is where a lot of the heat is, and I just also don't like how the texture of them when they're raw like that, when they're just, not that I've ever eaten like roasted pepper seeds or anything before, but I just don't. Alright, so we're just going to cut them out like that. I'm going to slice them one way. And then we're just going to hit them again this way. I'm going to take that, dump it into the salad. Alright, now I'm going to give this a nice stir just to kind of mix things up a bit, make sure everything's spread out. Then once we got everything spread out nicely, I'm going to pour our dressing right over it. I'm going to mix all of this up evenly, let that flavor really penetrate all of these veggies. And this salad has got protein, minerals, vitamins. It's got fermented food in it from the miso. I mean, anything you can imagine as far as nutrition's in here. If you really wanted to go the extra mile, you could add some like chia seeds to this, or some hemp seeds, but it's got everything you need. Alright guys, so here is this beautiful salad, super colorful. It looks amazing. I really like it. I love the dressing, that combination of flavors. I really love it. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Give us a like if you liked it, and I'll see you really soon on the next one. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and give this salad a taste. And I can tell you that I can already smell the beautiful smell of the garlic and ginger. This salad is absolutely amazing. The amount of miso really covered the entire salad. It's got a nice garlic and ginger taste to it. Also, you get the miso flavor with the acidity of the lime. Wow. Got a little bit of heat from the jalapenos. Delicious and simple, healthy recipe.